Welcome. Here is a clear breakdown of how fees on Afrivestor compare to traditional stockbrokers. So, Afrivestor offers lower digital commissions, typically around 1% to 1.35% for Nigerian stock trades, compared to traditional brokers who often charge the full standard commission rate of 1.35 plus additional advisory fees. Secondly, is to compare account maintenance fees. Traditional brokers frequently charge offline account management fees, paper statement processing fees, or minimum desk maintenance fees. Afrivestor operates digitally, eliminating offline management and paper processing costs. Third thing is to factor in regulatory and statutory charges. Both platforms incur mandatory government and market regulatory fees, including SEC, NGX, CSCS, and VAT charges, which equally roughly 0.60% to 0.70% on transactions regardless of the platform used. Another thing is to look at account opening minimums. Traditional stockbrokers usually demand high initial capital minimums to open a trading account. Afrivestor allows lower minimum deposits, making entry significantly cheaper. Lastly, review foreign stock trading cost. For trading foreign equities, digital platforms like Afrivestor charge a flat transaction percentage such as 1.5% per trade, without the complex wire and clearing charges traditional international brokerages levy. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.